Hi, it's Nin, and today I'm going to show you how to work the modified center double decrease stitch. We're going to be working with these 3 stitches here, and the goal is to have the middle column to be on top. So we're going to make 3 stitches into one, and the middle center column will be on top. The goal as well is to keep the twist in the stitch as we decrease. So the way we do that, we'll slip the first stitch tip to tip to the left hand needle to expose the center stitch. Insert the right hand needle tip into the back leg of the center stitch. Pull it off, and now with the tip of the left needle, scoop in from behind. Do you see? Scoop in from behind and return it to the left hand needle. And you can see there's an extra twist put into that stitch. The legs are twisted. We'll slip the first stitch back onto the left hand needle, and now we're ready to do a CDD. Take your right tip needle, slip it as if knitwise through the first 2 stitches basically from behind, through the first 2 stitches legs, but we don't work it, we just simply slip them off. That exposes the third stitch. The third stitch we're going to work. Now, we've worked a third stitch, but these 2 stitches at the beginning are not worked. What we are going to do is to slip the tip of our left needle through the legs, the front legs that is, of those 2 stitches, and then pull it up and over the worked stitch. And then when you tighten it up and take a look, you can see that the center stitch is on top, that column, and the twist remains in the central stitch. And that is how we do the modified central double decrease stitch.